guys, and welcome back to my petite carrot. This is the first time you guys are hearing my voice on this channel, so I hope you enjoy it very much. So today we're going to be making a desert resin ring, and here goes. First, you want to put your bottles of resin into lukewarm water for 5 minutes, and this will just help it degas quickly. So then you pour your resin or you pour the mixtures into a 1-to-1 ratio into a cup, and you stir and stir, and this will give you a great hand workout, guys. So next you pour into a new cup and you stir again for 1 minute. So then you take your resin mold, and I got this from AliExpress for $1, and it's very good quality, which I'm very surprised at. So you take a paint mixer or a scrapey tool or whatever you have and just fill the mold halfway. Next you'll take sand, and this is real sand that I got from Coronado Beach, and it has some really gorgeous mica flakes in it that come from the natural salt content or the mineral content near there. And you just will shove it into the pockets of the resin mold, and you poke it in and you stir and mix it so it makes a paste kind of. And you want to fill the bottom with that. So I level it out using a needle tool and I scrape it all around. So this is a second way to do it, and you just take resin and you pour sand in there and you just mix it up to make a paste inside the cup. So using a non-pointy ended tool, I had a big dumb moment there. Use a blunt ended tool and pack that mixture in there. And remember, you don't want too much because you want to just have a beautiful thin layer and not have your plant sink through. So actually a paint mixer, ooh, shameful droplet. Next, you take the paint mixer and pack it in there, and it's a lot better than the blunt ended tool or the pointy tool. So ready to stir and level out, guys. So with my pointy-ended tool, which is finally useful for once, I just made that mixture level and stirred it around so that no one place would be higher than the other. And also you can rely on gravity because it'll just pull everything down and make it smooth eventually. I made these little pieces myself using polymer clay, and be careful guys because they're extremely small and extremely jumpy. Now that we're ready for placement, I like to do an alternating arrangement of the colorful succulent, then the cacti, then the haworthia, and so on. But you guys can do whatever floats your own boat. If you're happy with your placement, congratulations, you're ready to move on to the next step. Here you want to take your excess resin and pour a little bit onto the top of the resin mold. And remember, it's only halfway filled right now, so you want to fill the rest with clear resin so that it looks like a beautiful, cloudless day. You'll know you're done when you run your paint mixer over the top and a little bit of excess comes over. And that you will wipe away with a cloth so that you don't get a filmy layer. And good job guys, you're done. Almost. And we're back. So, you're done. It's been 12 hours. You've waited, you've Netflixed, you've slept. And now you're able to take it out because it's at a soft cure right now, which means that it's flexible and not ready to be worn out, but is good enough to be taken out and admired. So look at that, your beautiful resin baby child that you can wear on your finger wherever you go. That's a wrap. So thank you and your beautiful eyeballs for coming to watch this tutorial. Please hit that like button, that comment button, that subscribe button, and come back next Saturday for Vanessa.